The rise of AI agents isn't the end of human work. It's the beginning of something far more powerful, a partnership between human intelligence and machine capability. The real question isn't, will AI replace us? It's, how do we work with it safely, effectively, and intelligently? Because the future of productivity, creativity, and innovation depends on how well we combine the best of both worlds. So let's explore what that future looks like and how we can prepare for it. Now we start with the simple truth. Humans think, AI acts. We bring context, empathy, and ethics. AI agents bring speed, scale, and precision. Now when those two forces work together, the results are extraordinary. Imagine a world where every professional, from analysts to architects, has their own AI agent. A silent digital partner that handles the busy work, the data crunching, the scheduling, and the follow-up. So you can focus on what truly matters, solving problems, building relationships, and making better decisions. Now let's look at how that partnership might unfold in real terms. In finance, an AI agent could run daily liquidity reports, stress test balance sheets, and flag emerging risks, while the treasurer focuses on interpreting the story behind the numbers. In marketing, agents could monitor campaign performance, test new creatives, and optimize ad spend, while humans focus on storytelling and brand direction. In HR, agents could handle routine onboarding tasks, track compliance, and generate engagement insights, while leaders focus on mentoring and culture. The magic happens not when AI replaces the job, but when it redefines it. Now, to make that partnership work, we need three key ingredients. Firstly, collaboration by design. AI systems must be built to collaborate, not operate in isolation. Now that means creating interfaces where humans can guide, question, and override agents when needed. So think of it like a cockpit, where automation helps the pilot, but never removes control. Now, the best systems are those where AI agents and humans learn from each other. When a human corrects an agent, that feedback improves the model. And when the agent surfaces new insights, it makes the human more effective. It's not a handover, it's a handshake. Number two, human oversight and governance. Now, autonomy doesn't mean anarchy. Every organization deploying AI agents must have clear rules on accountability. So who monitors the agents, what decisions they can make, and when humans must intervene. Now, this is where frameworks like the EU's AI Act and the UK's AI White Paper come into play, setting the foundation for responsible, human-centered deployment. The smartest companies will treat AI governance the same way they treat cybersecurity. Not as a compliance checkbox, but as a core part of risk management. Number three, upskilling and adaptation. For humans to thrive in the age of AI agents, we must evolve too. Now that means learning new skills, not necessarily coding, but prompt design, critical thinking, and AI collaboration. We'll need professionals who can translate business goals into AI actions. People who understand what to automate, what to delegate, and what to keep firmly human. Education systems will have to adapt as well. Instead of teaching only facts and formulas, we'll teach judgment, creativity, and systems thinking, the skills that machines can't replicate. And for leaders, the focus will shift from managing people to managing human-machine ecosystems, where every employee has a digital partner amplifying their potential. What about safety? How do we make sure this future doesn't spiral out of control? The answer is alignment, keeping human values at the center of AI behavior. That means building agents that can explain their reasoning, ask for clarification when unsure, and follow clearly defined ethical principles. It means setting up continuous monitoring, not because we don't trust AI, but because trust must be earned and verified. As the saying goes, trust but verify. Now let's imagine what a day in this future might look like. You start your morning and say, summarize yesterday's key decisions and schedule follow-ups. Your AI agent compiles meeting notes, drafts emails, and prioritizes your calendar. You then ask, run a quick risk check on the new proposal. It instantly analyzes the data, cross-references compliance policies, and presents a visual summary with potential issues. You don't do the grunt work, you make the calls. You remain the decision maker, guided by insight, powered by intelligence. That's the partnership we're moving toward, one where technology enhances human capability rather than replacing it. And here's something important. We must keep ethics and empathy at the heart of it all. Because while AI can optimize, humans must humanize. We must ensure these tools serve society, improving lives, expanding opportunity, and creating fairer systems. If AI agents are used responsibly, they could help us solve massive challenges, from climate change and healthcare to financial inclusion and education, but only if we build them with human purpose in mind. So how do we move forward from here? Start small. Experiment with simple AI tasks in your work. Learn what it's good at, where it struggles, and how it complements your strengths. Encourage open dialogue in your organization about what AI should and shouldn't do. Build a culture where human creativity and machine intelligence coexist, not compete. And above all, stay curious. Because this era is not about being replaced by technology, it's about being enhanced by it. The future won't belong to humans or machines alone. It will belong to those who know how to bring them together, responsibly, intelligently, and with purpose. That's the real path forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos just like this one. If you're keen to learn more about technology, be sure to check out the industryportal.com link in the description below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and as always, keep growing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.